Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 4, multiplication from the book Maths 2. Multiplication as a repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition. All the equal groups are added to find the total. मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मतलब ही रिपीटेड एडिशन होता है. जो इक्वल ग्रुप्स होते हैं सारे, हम उन्हें ऐड करते हैं ताकि हम टोटल फाइंड आउट कर सके. ओके, then let us add. So there are group of 2 balls. Okay, how many group? 1 2 3 4 groups. So if we add them, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will get 8. Okay, 4 groups of 2 are 8. Also we can write this in a shorter way, as that is 2 multiply 4 equals to 8. Okay, also 2 times 4 is 8. We read it as this. And or 2 multiply 4 equals to 8. Okay, we use a special sign multiply for multiplication. In 2 multiply 4 equals to 8, 2 and 4 are called the factors, 8 is called the product. तो ये एक स्पेशल साइन होता है जिसको हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए यूज करते हैं. अभी हमने जो एग्जाम्पल देखा 2 मल्टीप्लाई 4 इक्वल्स टू 8, तो उसमें जो 2 और 4 थे उन्हें हम फैक्टर्स कहेंगे. ओके, और जो आंसर आ रहा था उसे हम प्रोडक्ट कहेंगे, दैट इज 8. ओके, नाउ लेट अस ट्राई A part. Now there is a group of 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. Right. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives 9. Also 3 times 3 equals to 9. And 3 multiply 3 equals to 9. Okay. Then B part. Now there is a group of 5 oranges. And how many groups are there? 2. 1, 2. Right. So 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 2 times 5 equals to 10. 2 multiply 5 again equals to 10. Then C part. Now there is a group of 2 rabbits. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 10. Now 5 times 2 again equals to 10. And 5 multiply 2 again equals to 10. Okay? Now properties of multiplication. First, a change in the order of the factors does not change the product. Let us see. तो अगर फैक्टर्स के ऑर्डर में चेंज आ जाता है तो प्रोडक्ट चेंज नहीं होता. ओके, देखते हैं कैसे. Now there is a group of 2 bananas each. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6, which means 2 multiply 3 equals to 6, or we can say that 3 multiply 2 equals to 6. This is the same thing, right? So 2 multiply 3 equals to 3 multiply 2. Got it? Now another example. Now there is a group of 4 bananas each, right? How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 20, right? Then we can also say that 4 multiply 5 equals to 20, or 5 multiply 4 equals to 20, right? So 5 multiply 4 equals to 4 multiply 5. Similarly, 3 multiply 4 equals to 4 multiply 3. 7 multiply 5 equals to 5 multiply 7. 9 multiply 6 equals to 6 multiply 9, etc. Okay? Second, the product of a number and ones is the number itself. तो जो प्रोडक्ट होता है नंबर का और वन का, वो जो नंबर होता है वो नंबर itself होता है. Okay? Let us see. Now there is a one group of 5 oranges. Now 5 groups of 1 oranges, okay, which is equal to 5. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 5. Also 1 multiply 5 equals to 5. Then we have again a single group of carrots. How many groups are there? 1 plus 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 equals to 7. 7 groups of 1 equals to 7, or 1 multiply 7 equals to 7. Okay? In the same way, 1 multiply 8 equals to 8, 9 multiply 1 equals to 9, 15 multiply 1 equals to 15, etc. Okay? Then third, the product of any number by 0 is 0. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर का प्रोडक्ट निकाल रहे हैं 0 के साथ, तो जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा दैट इज 0. When we add 0 4 times, we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 equals to 0. तो जब हम 4 टाइम या 5 टाइम या कितने भी टाइम 0 को ऐड करें, we always get 0, right? It means 7 multiply 0 equals to 0 or 0 multiply 7 equals to 0. In the same way, 15 multiply 0 equals to 0, 12 multiply 0 equals to 0, 0 multiply 7 equals to 0, 0 multiply 6 equals to 0, 5 multiply 0 equals to 0 and 0 multiply 1 equals to 0, etc. Thus, when we multiply a number by 0 or 0 by any number, the answer is always 0. तो अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं या 0 को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, आंसर रिमेन्स ऑलवेज 0. ओके? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑन नंबर लाइन. With the help of number line, find 4 multiply 3. So there is a number line given from 0 up till 20. तो यहाँ पर हमें 4 multiply 3 करना है, यानी कि हम नंबर लाइन पे 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और जो गैप रखेंगे वो 4 का रखेंगे. ओके? और हम कितने टाइम्स ऐसा करेंगे? 3 टाइम्स. ओके? सो 0 to 4 1 टाइम, देन 4 के बाद अनदर 4 नंबर हमें गैप में छोड़ने हैं, देन 1 2 3 4, फोर्थ वन इज दिस वन, तो 8 पर आ गया. इसके बाद हमें फोर्थ नंबर पे जाना है 1 2 3 4, तो 12 आ गया. हमें सिर्फ 3 तक करना है ऐसा. सो द आंसर इज 12 हियर. ओके? फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑन द नंबर लाइन, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड मार्क 3 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4s to the right of 0. We will reach at the point 12. We get 3 jumps of 4 equal steps, that is 3 times 4. I have already explained this. Okay? Now 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12, or 3 multiply 4 equals to 12, or 4 multiply 3 equals to 12. Okay? Then exercise 4A, A part, fill in the blanks. A part, already given, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16. So 4 multiply 4 also equals to 16. Okay? Means यहाँ पर 4 नंबर लिखा और कितने ग्रुप्स थे? 1 2 3 4. So that's why 4. So answer will be the same here, right? Then we'll do B part. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 20. Now first I'll write 5. How many groups? 1 2 3 4. 4 groups. So 5 multiply 4 equals to this, 20. Got it? Then C part. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 12. Now first I'll write 3. Multiply how many groups? 1 2 3 4. 4 groups. So 3 multiply 4 equals to 12. You can do the remaining parts by yourself. Then B, fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. So we have to fill these boxes. One is already given. Okay? So A part. There is a number line. We have gap of 2, right? 2, then another 2, another 2, another 2. So that's why 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and in the end we are getting 8. That's why there is written 8. Or we can write, there is gap of 2. So gap of 2 is written here. And how many times? 1 2 3 4. 4 times. So there is 4 written here. and answer we are getting is 8. Okay. Then B part. Again we have gap of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? So I'll write 2 here. Then we are getting 12 here, so I'll write 12. So, और now 2 का गैप था, तो यहाँ पर 2 लिखेंगे. कितने टाइम्स गैप था? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 टाइम्स था, तो 6. And the final answer is 12, so I'll write 12 here. Okay, this is how we need to do. Okay. Then C part. Now there is gap of 3 each, right? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 up till 15, right? So I'll write 3 here. And the final answer is 15 here. I'll write 15. Okay. Now OR. So there is gap of 3 each. How many times? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. And the answer comes 15. So I'll write 15 here. Okay. So you can do the remaining parts by yourself. Multiplication tables of numbers up to 10. Okay. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Multiplication by one digit number without carrying. multiply 54 by 2. So the step 1, multiply the ones digit by 2. We get 2 multiply 4 equals to 8. Write 8 in the ones place. सबसे पहले हमने ऐसे लिख लेना है, ओके, और फिर वंस डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 2 4s are 8. So we get 8 here, okay. Then step 2, multiply the tens digit by 2. We get 2 multiply 5 equals to 10. Write 10 in the tens place. Hence 54 multiply 2 equals to 108. Then हमें 2 को 5 से multiply करना है. We'll get 10. Okay. So हम बोल सकते हैं 54 को 2 से multiply करेंगे. We'll get 108. Multiply 3 digit numbers by 1 digit. Step 1. Multiply the ones digit by 3. We get 3 multiply 3 equals to 9. Write 9 in the ones place. So 3 को 3 से multiply किया, we'll get 9. Okay. Then step 2. Multiply the tens digit by 3. We get 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. Write 6 in the tens place. फिर 3 को 2 से multiply करेंगे, we'll get 6 and 6 हम tens place में लिख देंगे. Step 3, multiply hundreds digit by 3. We get 6 multiply 3 equals to 18. Write 18 in the hundreds place. Hence 623 multiply 3 equals to 1869. So 3 को 6 से किया, we'll get 18. 18 हम 100 place पर लिख देंगे. And the final answer is this. Okay? Multiplication by one digit number with carrying. Multiply 36 multiply 2. So the step 1, multiply the digit in the ones place by 2. 2 multiply 6 equals to 12 ones equals to 110 plus 2 ones. Write 2 ones in the ones place and carry over 110 to the tens place. So 2 into 6, 12. 2 is written here, 1 is carried over, 2 3s are 6, 1 is added 7. Okay. And step 2, multiply the digit in the tens place by 2. 2 multiply 3 equals to 6 tens. फिर उसके बाद हमें 2 को 3 से multiply करना है. We'll get 6. 6 में 1 add किया, 7. Step 3, now add 6 tens plus 1 10 carried over equals to 7 tens. Write 7 in the tens place. Thus 36 multiply 2 equals to 72. I have already explained this, okay. Now multiply 286 by 3. Step 1, multiply the digit in the ones place by 3. 3 multiply 6 equals to 18 ones equals to 110 plus 8 ones. Write 8 ones in the ones place and carry over 110 to the tens place. So 3 को हम 6 से multiply करेंगे, then we'll get 18. 8 is written here, 1 is carried over. Okay. Then step 2, multiply the digit in the tens place by 3. 3 multiply 8 equals to 24 tens. 24 tens plus 1 10 carried over equals to 25 tens. 25 tens equals to 20 tens plus 5 tens. 20 tens equals to 2 hundreds. Then हमने 3 को 8 से multiply किया. We'll get 24, right? So 24 में 1 add किया, 25. Okay. अब यहाँ पर 5 लिखा रहेगा और 2 is carried over. Okay. First write 5 in the tens place, carry over 200s to the 100 place. We have already did this. Then step 3, multiply the digit in the hundreds place by 3. 3 multiply 2 equals to 600. 600 plus 200 carried over equals to 800. Then write 8 in the hundreds place. Thus 286 multiply 3 equals to 858. So 3 को हमने 2 से multiply किया, we'll get 6. 6 में 2 add किया, तो 8 आ गया. Final answer is this one. Okay. Now problem solving. First, there are 28 biscuits in a packet. How many biscuits are there in 3 packets? एक पैकेट में 28 बिस्किट है, तो 3 पैकेट्स में कितने होंगे? So we need to multiply 28 multiply 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 is carried over. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 2 8. 84. Thus there are 84 biscuits in 3 packets. Okay. Then second one. There are 6 chocolates in a packet. How many chocolates are there in 103 packets? एक पैकेट में 6 चॉकलेट है, तो 103 पैकेट्स में कितनी होगी? So we need to multiply 103 multiply 6. 6 3s are 18, 1 is carried over, 6 को 0 से करेंगे, we'll get 0, 1, add, so 1 is written here, then 6 1s are 6. Hence, there are 618 chocolates in 103 packets. Okay? Interesting facts about multiplication. To multiply a number by 10, put 1 0 just to the right of the number to get the product. अगर हमें किसी भी नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो हमें उसके राइट में 0 पुट कर देना है. ओके, विल गेट द आंसर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 मल्टीप्लाई 10 इक्वल्स टू 20, 8 मल्टीप्लाई 10 इक्वल्स टू 80, 7 मल्टीप्लाई 10 इक्वल्स टू 70. ओके, then to multiply a number by 100, put 2 zeros just to the right of the number to get the product. तो अब हमें नंबर को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो अब हम वो जो नंबर है उसके राइट में 2 zeros पुट कर देंगे. विल गेट द आंसर. 2 मल्टीप्लाई 100 इक्वल्स टू 200, 8 मल्टीप्लाई 100 इक्वल्स टू 800, 7 मल्टीप्लाई 100 इक्वल्स टू 700. ओके, नाउ एक्सरसाइज 4B. A, join the threads with correct balloons. One has been done for you. So we have to join these balloons with correct one. Means it is kind of a matching. Okay. Now 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Then 9 nines are 81. Then 7 eights are 56. 9 5s are 45, 7 9s are 63, 4 8s are 32. Okay, then 8 3s are 24, 10 7s are 70, 6 2s are 12, and 3 5s are 15, 9 8s are 72, and 2 9s are 18. This one is already done. Okay. B, multiply the following. A part, 24 multiplied by 2. Now 2 multiplied by 4 will get 8, right? And 2 multiplied 2, 4. The answer is 48. Okay. So the rest of the parts you can do by yourself. Okay. Then C, multiply the following. A part, 48 multiplied by 2. Now 2 8s are 16, right? 6 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 2 4s are 8. 1 is added. Answer is 9. So the answer is 96. Okay. You can do the remaining parts by yourself. D part, solve the following word problems. A, Priya bought 10 mangoes to make 1 glass mango shake. How many mangoes will she need for making 8 glasses of mango shake? तो प्रिया ने 10 मैंगोज बॉट किए 1 ग्लास मैंगो शेक बनाने के लिए. तो उसको 8 ग्लासेस ऑफ मैंगो शेक बनाने के लिए कितने मैंगोज रिक्वायर होंगे? नाउ हियर वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. 10 मल्टीप्लाई 8. द आंसर इज 80. Then B, a car has 4 wheels. What is the total number of wheels in 86 cars? एक कार में 4 व्हील्स होते हैं, तो 86 कार्स में कितने व्हील्स होंगे? ओके, सो अगेन वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. 86 मल्टीप्लाई 4 विल गेट द आंसर. You can do multiplication in this part by yourself. Then C part, if there are 42 boys in a row, find the number of boys in 12 such rows. एक रो में 42 बॉयज हैं, तो हमें बताना है 12 रोज में कितने बॉयज होंगे. Again we need to multiply. 42 multiply 12 will get the answer. You can do multiplication by yourself. Then D, 136 balls are kept in one box. How many balls are there in 8 boxes? एक बॉक्स में 136 बॉल्स होती हैं, तो 8 बॉक्सेस में कितनी बॉल्स होती हैं? ओके, so again we need to multiply, we'll get the answer. 136 multiply 8 will get the answer. Okay, you can perform multiplication by yourself. Then E part, there are 101 toys in a packet. How many toys are there in 9 such packets? तो 101 toys है एक पैकेट में और 9 such packets में कितने toys होंगे? Okay, so you need to multiply and you will get the answer. Okay, you can perform multiplication by yourself in this part as well. Then objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Take the correct option. A 85 multiply 1 equals to dash. We have options. First 0, second 85, third 1. Answer is 85. B 8 multiply 8 equals to dash. We have options. First 64, second 46, third 16. Answer is 64. C 485 multiply 0 equals to dash. We have options. First 485, second 1, third 0. The answer is 0. D any number multiplied by 1 is always, अगर किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करे तो वो क्या आंसर आता है? We have options. First 0, second 1, third number itself. Answer is number itself. Experiential learning, mental math. A, fill in the blanks. A part, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to dash multiply 4. The answer is 5. Okay. Then B part, 43 multiplied by 2 equals to dash. The answer is 86. Okay. Then C, 0 multiply 8 equals to 0. D, 3 multiply 7 equals to 21. E, dash multiply 199 equals to 199. Answer is 1. F, 345 multiplied dash equals to 0. The answer is 0. Then G, 275 multiplied dash equals to 275. Answer is 1. Then H, dash multiply 999 equals to 999. Answer is 1. Okay. Then B, match the following. A part, 6 multiply 8. So we'll match A with second part. This is how we write. You can see. Okay. Then B part, 5 multiply 4, which is equal to third part. This is how we write. Then C, 2 multiply 9, which is equal to fourth one. This is how we write in repeated addition. Okay. Then D part, 3 multiply 5, which is equal to first one. Creative skill, activity zone, solve the puzzle. Okay. So we need to fill this puzzle properly. Okay. So let's just start. 3 multiply 5 equals to. Answer is 15, right? 1, 5. Okay. Then 5 multiply 5 equals to 25, 2, 5. Okay. Then 5 multiply 2 equals to 10, 1 and 0 is already written. Okay. Then 2 multiply 2 equals to 4. Right. And dash multiply 0 equals to 0. We can write any number. I'll write 10 here. Okay. Because if we multiply any number with 0, we'll get always 0. Right. So we are done with this puzzle. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.